Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to use NFC tags. I got these tags from AliExpress at a very cheap price. First off, go to the Play Store and search for this app called NFC Tools. This is the app here. I've already got it installed. I'll just open it up. Yeah, this is it. First off, you have to make sure your NFC is turned on your mobile phone. After you turn it on, let's proceed to the stage whereby you set it up. First, we have this read, write, orders, and tags. Let's come to write. Let's say, for example, whenever you scan your tag, you want it to open your calculator app, for example, just click on add record, add a record. After I click on add a record, you scroll or to see applications, tap on that. There you see this Android logo there, just tap on it. After that, it reload. Then select your app, maybe calculator for an example. I'll choose calculator. Then press OK. After you press OK, then click on write. After I click on write, just place the NFC tag at the back of your phone and automatically it scanned it. And whenever I place the NFC tag at the back of your phone, it opens up the back calculator. As you can see now, when I place at the back, it opens the calculator directly. And this is one of the ways to use NFC tags. Thank you.